Two more, just very briefly on Pakistan. Do you guys have a reaction to the arrest of former Pakistan Prime Minister Khan, and do you think he got a fair trial?
We believe that is an internal matter for Pakistan, and we continue to call for the respect of democratic principles, human rights, and rule of law in Pakistan, as we do around the world.
The final one. Some people described that response pretty subdued and muted. Would you agree with that, and does that have anything to do with Khan's previous criticism of the United States when he was the Prime Minister?
So I thought I understood the first part of the question. Now I'm not sure I do. Would you? Oh, that's funny. Do you mean that our response was muted, or the response to his arrest? I first thought you were saying our response was muted.
The State Department's response to his arrest. Yeah.
I think first of all, I'll let people characterize their responses in all kinds of different ways. I think our response to this arrest and his previous arrests have been consistent at all times in declaring it an internal matter for Pakistan.
And nothing to do with like his past criticism of the U.S.
So that's why you got the laugh from the back of the room while you were on vacation. I got this question a number of times. We do not believe it's related. No.
Can I just ask if it's related to this? Can I just
Yeah.
So if Imran Khan's arrest and prosecution is an internal matter for Pakistan that you won't comment on, how is that different than the Navalny case?
There are times when we believe that prosecutions are completely unfounded,
So you think that there's some foundation to Imran Khan's arrest and
I would say there are times that we.
I'm just asking a straightforward question. If you're gonna
I know it. I'm going to give you a straightforward answer, but it's going to take me a minute.
Right. Okay.
So we believe that at times there are cases that are so obviously unfounded that the United States believes it should say something about the matter. We have not made that determination here.
With Imran Khan.
We believe it is an internal matter. Correct.
Two more, just very briefly on Pakistan. Do you guys have a reaction?